I will show you how to create a community post on your YouTube channel. First, go to the YouTube channel and you can see that the create icon here. Click on the create button and the create post. Okay, here you can see that there is nowhere you can write your post and publish it, because I just created this account. Like if you are a beginner and just created the YouTube channel, you have to fix some setting. You can say that verify your channel to gain access to post. So you need to verify your YouTube channel. So let's head over to this one, learn more, and it will show you the steps how to verify your YouTube channel. Here, this is the use phone or ID or video verification to get access, or you can do the ID verification, or you can do video verifications, you can do phone verifications, you can choose any verification you feel easy. So now I'll go to ID verification and we follow the steps. Now sign in into YouTube Studio, click on the link. Sorry, go back. Open this link in a new tab and follow the step. Click on settings. So go to the settings, and after setting it said click on channel. So go to channel and here click feature eligibility, advanced feature, access feature. So click feature eligibility, go to advanced feature and click on access feature. Okay, here it said select use your ID, then get email. So here you can choose the verification. Here you can use the video verification, which usually takes 1 day. Will help you to create a 30-second video of yourself looking into a phone camera, or use your valid ID, usually up to 1 day. Or you can choose build channel history, which takes up to 2 months. So I'll go for video verification and click on next. Now here is a get email to start verification on your phone or SCARQ. Now click on get email. Maybe I do scan the QR code instead, it's quite faster. I open my camera and I scan the QR code from my phone. And once I tap it on, it will take me to the new Google account link. Then agree to video verifications. You will use your phone camera to record a brief video of your face. So I agree this one. I click on agree button and then I press I agree. And click on next. It said that it wants to use the camera. I allow. It says look down, so I look down. Now it's uploading your video. So it's uploading my video. Now my video is in review. After I finish this one, I click on done. Now it will take 1 day to verify my channel, and you can see that now the video verification and the pending is there, which is on pending. See how you will send the video verifications and wait for the approval, and then once it's get approved your channel, you'll be eligible to post a community post. After you submit for video verification, come back after 1 day or few hours and go to your channel again. Go to settings, go to channel, click on the feature eligibility, and now you can see that your advanced feature is enabled, and here it shows that your video verification has been verified, and you can see that the tick mark, which means that you have verified your video. And now close this one, and now try to create a post. Go to the create, go to create post. It will open the new tab. Here now you can see you can create a post and post it. And before you didn't have this option, so we need to verify our video. Now you'll have the option. Now you can post your post in a community post. That's it. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And see you in my next video. Bye.